So today I'm going to do a product review over a Craftsman motorcycle jack. It's a motorcycle ATV jack. I don't think they have this one on Amazon, but I'm just going to link a couple that are very similar to this in the description below. But this one's actually awesome. I just got it a couple days ago. I've been putting these ATVs on cinder blocks, and that was a pain in the ass because you kind of had to balance it perfectly. With this, you literally just have to find out where the center, I guess where the, what is it called? Like where all the weight is centered, and usually it's going to be right where the engine's at. That's so it's locked into place. Once you have it on here, it's actually really easy to move too. And there's wheel locks if you want to use them. I probably won't ever use them, but this can be super nice when it comes to taking off tires. I'll give you a little bit closer view of it right now. So that's the handle. The handle's really just to move it around. Take it off the stand. Okay, that's the handle. The handle's just to move you around, really. This foot pump is how you pump it up. And this is how you let it down. This is actually just a safety lock. See those little ridges right here? So it won't ever fall. Like, let's say that hydraulic cylinder gives out, this thing will never fall all the way down. I probably should have set this a little closer to the center, but it'll be fine where it's at. And I was using cinder blocks before this. I'll tell you what, this makes a world of difference. I plan on finishing this one up today. This is my son's. And anyways, just wanted to do a quick product review over this jack. It's definitely worth it. Something else, when you pull this this little safety lock back, it has a little clip right here that it'll clip into. Yeah, oh yeah, and if you ever want to remove this for storage, the handle, you can actually just remove this clink pin like this. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. So when you put it up, it's easy storage. Putting it back together is just as easy. There's locks on the wheels. I have it on unlock. You could lock them if you wanted. But I probably won't ever use that, especially for what I'm using it for. But I definitely see how this is going to save time and make my life a lot easier. Anyways, motorcycle ATV jack. Like I said before, I'll post some links. They don't have this exact same one on Amazon, I don't think. If they do and I find it, I'll post that link. But if not, then I'm going to post a couple that are literally the exact same models, maybe just different brands. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the review. The links will be in the description. And as always, make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.